So welcome to our one bedroom unit. This is 46 square meter with balcony. So I'm going to give you a tour. So upon entering your unit here, this is your kitchen area and laminated cabinet, and this is your balcony. This is your bedroom, one toilet and bath. So if you are interested to know about this project, just message me or comment down below. I'm so excited to help you find your perfect condo in Cebu. This is the floor plan.